Okay, now we have this on both sides, here and over here. So you take these two clips, both of them. So I have both of them there off. 10 millimeter. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Take these off. It's a 30 Torx. Look at that. You just kind of leave it like that, really. Or you can take those off, whatever you want to do. But now look at this. You're gonna need to take this off. Push that down. Push that clip down. Take that off. Now take both of those off. You might need a little screwdriver. Pop that. Same on this side. Get this stuff off here, and then you'll need to take this off. And here's the bolt for the line. And then, of course, there's another line down here. Take those off. Take that pressure sensor off and put it on the new one. Okay.